So here's my Oxy Acetylene cylinder cart. I got the idea from Part-Time Fabrication. He's on YouTube. Check out his channel. He talks about the process of building it. I didn't go through that. I just went ahead and kind of followed along with what he did. I drew my plans out on a large piece of cardboard and just transferred the measurements over to the steel, cut the steel, and then fabricated it. I used a tank retainer. He used just a strap. I decided to use a retainer because if I needed to lift this rig and put it in the back of a truck, I don't want those tanks moving around. Anyway, it's turning out great. I went with the same blue almost. It's almost a Miller blue. And I just need to put the another coat of paint on it and then install the axle, and that's already been cut, and then put on the wheels and a few more things. I'm going to add a small tray in the back, well actually a pretty good sized tray in the back to hold all the consumables and tips and whatnot. The way that I did the retainer, it's going to be easy to attach the tray. I can actually run that bolt that you see in the back of the cart. I can run that right into the inside of the tray, and then tack weld or weld some welds along the edge to secure it, so it'll be very secure. And then if I ever need to take off that rod, I can just reach inside the tray and undo the bolt and remove it. Anyway, thanks a lot, Part-Time Fabricator. Turned out great. Thanks.